Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through, I'm going to answer a question which was asked by you, and that question is it possible to apply for both an open work permit and spousal sponsorship at the same time? And the answer is yes. It is very possible to apply for both an open work permit and spousal sponsorship at the same time, but the specific conditions depend on your situation and the country you're applying to. For example, in African countries, the process for spousal sponsorship and work permits can vary greatly depending on the country, as each has its own immigration policies. However, many African nations have frameworks for spousal sponsorship and employment visas which allow foreign spouses to live and work in the country. For Tanzania, when it comes to spousal sponsorship, also called residence visa, this is how it works. If a foreigner is married to a Tanzanian citizen, they can apply for a residence visa to stay in the country. The process requires proving the marriage and the Tanzanian spouse's nationality. When it comes to open work permit, once the spouse has obtained the residency, in this case residence visa, they may be eligible to apply for a work permit. However, in some cases, the spouse may be able to work without a separate work permit depending on the type of visa.